5 interesting facts about Antarctica. In 2013, Metallica performed in Antarctica to an audience of 120 people, making them the first band to play on all 7 continents. There are no polar bears in Antarctica, only in the Arctic, because no bears resided or survived at the South Pole after Pangaea broke apart. The Drake Passage is a waterway in Antarctica that connects the Pacific and Atlantic Oceans. This waterway is known for its violent storms and strong winds, claiming the lives of numerous sailors. It's named after Sir Francis Drake, an English explorer whose ships were used when the connection between both oceans was discovered. Antarctica is the only continent with no permanent residents or citizens. People living there, like scientists, only stay for around 3 to 6 months for research purposes. Most people staying in Antarctica are Christians, having more than 70% of the continent's population. Following that is a combination of atheists and people who chose not to disclose their religion.